In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install and configure DNS on Windows Server 2019. We start in Windows Admin Center and I select the domain joined server SEA SVR1. I go to the Roles and Features node of Windows Admin Center. I select the DNS Server role. I select Install. Dependencies are calculated. I click Yes. The DNS Server role is installed. Now that the DNS Server role is installed, I go to the DNS node in Windows Admin Center, and I am alerted that the RSAT tools need to be installed. The RSAT tools are used by Windows Admin Center to perform DNS operations. The RSAT tools are now installed. I make the DNS console larger and I select Create a new DNS zone. The zone name will be contoso.net. It'll be stored in a new zone file and I will not allow dynamic updates. I select Create. It creates a new DNS zone. I select the DNS zone and I get the option to create a new DNS record. I create a new DNS record called SEA SVR5 and I provide the IP address 172.30.99.234. I set the time to live for the record as 600 seconds. I select Create. It creates the new DNS record. I then open up a PowerShell window and I use the Resolve-DnsName commandlet, which is the PowerShell version of NSLOOKUP, to query the server SEA SVR1, which is my DNS server that I just installed for the host record SEA SVR5.contoso.net, and it returns the address 172.30.99.234, which is the one that I entered in Windows Admin Center when configuring this record. In that demonstration, you saw me install and configure DNS on Windows Server 2019 using Windows Admin Center.